Hi again. Today we're going to be doing a pasta bake. This is something that's really easy and you can use pretty much anything inside the house. But right now I'm just going to put in some, this is a cast iron pudding. We're going to be cooking in a cast iron skillet today. The skillet, we're adding some garlic. This is 2 heads of garlic. I normally only use 1, but they were packaged together. And if anybody's seen my videos before, the rule is don't let friends peel garlic. I get them already peeled in the store. They're prepackaged, but I do dice them up. I don't like the jarred stuff, in other words. So there's that. Basically, what I'm going to be doing here is I have the garlic is all diced up for me, and I just spent a while dicing everything and julienning everything up. But this is garlic. I'm going to stir this around for a couple minutes or so and just let it cook. And then we'll be adding in some julienne vegetables. The one of them I didn't have was mushroom, so I'm subbing in a different mushroom. The mushroom I got is pretty expensive, so I just got it canned. You can use pretty much anything, but I was going to use it for something else, but my refrigerator got cleaned out today and I have no idea where my mushrooms went to, so I think they probably got tossed. So there's that. That's your oven. It should be preheated to 375. And I learned this from one of my chef friends, that if you cook your pasta in either vegetable or chicken broth or some sort of the beef broth, it gives it some flavor. So I don't use water very much anymore. But right now, I'm going to be adding in, this is 1 zucchini and a yellow summer squash. And those are all julienne. So just cut into strips. If you've made French fries, you know what julienning is. These are going to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and once I get everything in here, make sure you move it around a lot because it will burn. And the Parmesan in this is optional. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. I didn't notice I didn't have any, but it's the Parmesan I get is one I have to grate anyway, and really didn't feel like grating anyway, so it works. It has plenty of cheese without it, and I have other cheeses I could add also. I got both a balled mozzarella, the baby bell is the balls, and then I also have shredded. I can add extra shredded mozzarella if I wanted to also. It's a very forgiving recipe here. So now I'm going to add in my green and red pepper. So there's 1 green and red pepper. Now I get to open up the spaghetti sauce. This is the pasta sauce. I'm using Rao's Arrabbiata. This is 2 grams of protein per serving. A serving size is normally about a 1/4 cup. I believe that's, with this one it's a 1/2 cup. So this is 2 grams of protein per 1/4 cup. Per 1/2 cup. So I'm just going to pour this on. And slow down a little. Okay, so now we have our cheese. So this is Baby Bell's plant-based mozzarella cheese. Comes in little balls like the normal cheese, but they're a little more flattened. So I'm just putting these on little discs on top. They come wrapped, and so they have little green wrappers that they come in. I think I peeled them all off, but you just peel off. If you go back, you can look at my video on the caprese salad that I made with them. It's almost a year ago. I think I've made it twice on camera. But you just peel those off, and then we are going to put this in the oven at 375 for about 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese melts. There's that. And I'm going to add in some basil when it's done. The basil, the Parmesan are optional, as stated before. So I'm going to turn this off here, and we will move it over to the oven to cook the rest of the way. And she'll show when it's done. You like the videos, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and thanks for your time.